and welcome back to my channel. So today I got a try on haul for you guys, and it's all from, make sure my address is covered, as you can see, Fashion Nova, baby. Yes guys, so this try on haul is all from Fashion Nova, so I'm definitely going to try on these pieces and let you guys see what they look like. Yes, so let's get into the video. This is a two-piece. This is a nice wear it in the house loungewear, or you could wear it to bed. So this is what it looks like, and it's tie-dye. I love it, and this is something that I love to wear to bed. So this is the first outfit, and this is in a size medium. So everything that I have received for this clothing haul, they're all a size medium I have ordered. So this is the first, and this is from WHOLESALE7. So the first bit of clothes are from WHOLESALE7, and the next bit will be from Fashion Nova. So let's get into the next outfit. So the next piece is, this is well, over it. So this is the next piece, and this is just a two-piece as well, and it's a tights and a shirt. This one you can tie to the side if you want to look a style, or tie to the back if you want a little bit more style or show some tummy. But this has got a nice biker shorts. The material is good, and it's the first time I've ordered from this company. I love the material, the feel, the color. I would definitely be ordering from this company again. So this is just another two-piece set, and this came in a medium. So let's get into outfit number 3. This is outfit number 3, and as you can see, this is another two-piece set. It's tights. Here, let me show you guys a little bit more. There we go. So as you see, this is another two-piece set I have here as well. They have this one in different colors, and it's just something quick to throw on. I actually had ordered these when the weather was warm. Now the weather is cold, but that's okay. And the material is great. Can't complain. So I am actually loving the material. So outfit number 3, let's get into outfit number 4. All right, so this is outfit number 4. As you can see, this is a cute summer dress that you can wear, and you can pretty much pair it with anything. I love it. It's just simple, nice, and it is past my knees. So yeah, it's just past my knees, as you guys can see, and this is a nice outfit. I thought the material would have been thinner, but it's good. It's not see-through, so that is good. So this is outfit number 4, and I'm going to get into the last piece from this company, and then I'm gonna go on to my Fashion Nova stuff. So let's get into that one. This is outfit number 5. So this is another two-piece. This is something that you would wear in your house, just want to be nice and comfortable, and you could also wear it to bed. It's a little bit cheeky, but I will hide those cheeks. And this, I find it works great, and hubby love these outfits. So this is great for like just you hanging out, snuggling at home with your significant other, or being by yourself. This is just, or you just want to feel sexy that day. So this is another great outfit that you can wear as well. Let's get into outfit number, I don't even know what number. Let's get into the next outfit. So this is also another outfit, and this is more capris. So, and it's more like a crop top for those that kind of want to show off their figure. I'm trying to kind of hide mine, but that's okay. So this is another two-piece, and this is just a two-piece back set. The quality of it is really good. This company had sent this to me, so I just figured why not throw it in the haul, because I am doing a clothing haul. So yes, and you guys probably have seen it in the Get Ready With Me video that I did behind the scenes. So this is actually the outfit again, so I'm showing you guys, and let's get into the rest of the outfit. This is the next outfit. As you see, it's a cute button down dress. You can dress it up, dress it down, something nice to wear, especially in, you could even wear it to a Christmas party or just an event. Just make sure you accessorize and dress it up. So this is in a size medium. It says take me there, rib mid dress. So, and the material, you know, I always love my fashion over the outfit. Can't complain. Love the quality, and the dress is just nice. It's elegant, it's sexy, and it just hugs your curves, which is great. Who doesn't want an outfit that hugs their curves? So let's get into the next outfit. Shades to go with this, and this is the baddie shade, and this is also from Fashion Nova. It got a nice bling to the side, as you can see. Yes, I like it. So what do you guys think? Do you guys like the glasses? I like it so far. So good. Yeah, so definitely will have these to wear when I go on vacation or when summer comes around again, hopefully soon. This is the mid keep it classy, always keep it classy set in a nice tan color. I love it. It's a two-piece, you see, shoulder, and it's a skirt, long skirt that's over your knees. This is also a great set that you can dress up, dress it down, and I just love the material. Yes, and it's in a medium, so all the stuff that you guys will be seeing are in medium. So yeah, and I will try and see if I can link the actual outfits in the description box. If I don't, sorry for that ahead of time. Got on these nice cute shorts with this full, what is this until the end of time bodysuit. So this is a bodysuit that I'm wearing, and yes, looks really nice, and love the material, and it's also a medium. So this is definitely something you could wear to vacation, spice it up with some glasses, a little bit of heels, and a nice purse and some jewelry, and you are ready to go. This is the same bodysuit, just in white, and I just paired it with these cute shorts that I also bought. And like I said, dress it up. You could put a nice little gold belt around here if you wanted to, and dress it up, purse, glasses, some jewelry, and some nice heels or sandals, and you are ready, whether you are going on a date or just heading out to do some errands. It's a nice fit to wear. So yeah, I love it so far. What do you guys think? Let me know which outfits are your guys' favorite one so far. Like I said, I love interacting with you guys, so definitely let me know, and let me know if you want to see more hauls like this. And yeah, let's get into the next outfit. This is the next dress. As you see, I got some long sleeve. This is cute. You could wear this in the winter. So this is the show some sass. This is show some sass. A medium, dress in a medium, and I love it. It's definitely showing a hell of a lot of sass, but it's nice. What do you guys think? And I love the color too, and it just hugs your curves. I love the material. It feels warm, and I love the detail, how big the button detail goes perfectly with this dress. So there is another one. Let's get into the next outfit. Back with this medium, keep it cute, mid mini dress, tube dress, and oh, I love it. This is cute. You could wear this in the house. Well, you wear it out, vacation. It's giving me vacation vibes. Yeah, let me see the islands. Here I come. Definitely. So what do you guys think? It is definitely giving me vacation vibes, and I love it. It looks cute and nice. And I have another dress, but in a different color. So let's get into the other one. So this is the mulberry maxi dress, all in white, and it goes all the way down to my ankle, guys. This is just a nice cute dress, breezy for summer vibes, nice spring, but like I said, always a vibe. This is like an everyday wear, something you want to throw on in the yard. You could definitely do that if you're running an errand, something cute to just throw on. And let me grab some shades. These are the other side sunglasses. So these are also from Fashion Nova, and they got the leopard on the side. So you know your girl is ready for the vacation vibes. So, and I like these are, most people don't like the big face glasses, or they say they cover your face, but I like them. They're really nice. What do you guys think? You guys like these glasses? All right, so I have 2 more pieces to try on, and yeah, so let's get into the next outfit. So this is the same dress, mini cute dress, but the only difference is the color is in burgundy, and this is what it looks like, and it cuts off about there. So yeah, and it is a nice outfit to just throw on, well, a nice dress to throw on, whether you're just, like I said, running an errand, or you could even spice it up, put on some heels with this. I had got some nude, some clear nude shoes as well, but sorry, they're not in this haul as well, and those would go great with these, a nice purse and some accessories, and you could dress it up. You could even throw on a nice black blazer or even a nice white blazer with this, and you're pretty much ready to go. I would have drawn out the blazers then, but I wasn't thinking about all of that. I would definitely be doing another try on haul, or another haul coming. I'm not sure what haul yet, but I will be doing another haul for you guys. If you guys like this haul, definitely give this video a thumbs up, and I saved the best for last. So let's get into the last outfit. I said, guys, I saved the best for last. So as you see, I got another cozy nightgown wear, and like I said, save the best for last. It's a little bit of a peekaboo, but I don't want to get in trouble for that, so your girl's gonna pull it down. And this is a 2-piece set as well. So, and I love the material. And what does it say? It says, oh, it says a bad habit. So that is it for the end of this haul, guys. I hope you enjoyed this haul. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and don't forget to tell me which outfit is your guys' favorite one, and I will try my best to link all this outfit in the description below if I can, and if I can't, sorry, I will make sure to try and at least put the names of the outfits on the screen, and you guys could also go online and get them if they're still there. But yes, I love this. This is one of my favorite pieces. This is a hubby's favorite piece. One of his favorite piece out of all of the outfits. So thank you guys for watching. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I will catch you all in the next video. Bye guys.